Yes, we're supposed to be live at 2 p.m. I don't know what time I put on my trailer, but it doesn't matter. Let's goddamn go. Welcome back to the Student Brothers. What's good? So as you guys can see, I've literally changed the entire story. Now we are building something different. But bear in mind, we're still gonna be doing interview prep. Hold on, I need to mute this. Yep. So we're gonna be doing interview prep. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but yeah, let's see what's cooking here.
Tech companies. After a year and a half, I decided to explore new job opportunities. At the start of 2021, I started interviewing again. Since I had already prepared for interviews in the past, I didn't need much time this time around. I revised the fundamentals and brushed up on my data structures and algorithms. I watched William Fisher data structures playlist and Tushar Ross videos on graphs and dynamic programming. Those were really helpful during my preparation. After that, I started practicing on lead code and revised the problems I solved previously. Since I was applying for a senior role,
Uh, I want to just go to what's the name? I just want to go to HackerRank and just try to clear all the array problems that are there. I think that would make more sense, right? Let me log in as a developer. I think they have my access. Yep, they have my account. I'm just gonna go and go to data structures. And what's going on here? A 24-hour hackathon. That's none of my business. So I want to focus on arrays. Let's see, what other problem do we need to solve? Well, we have a problem with left rotation. I think on lead code that question is there too, right? Let me try to look at. Let's go to lead code and go to problems and can I look up left rotation? I think left rotation, it's on arrays. What's going on here? Sum of left. Actually, can we go to arrays? We only pick out arrays and then let's say left rotation. Left and right difference? I don't know if they have that, but what's the actual problems statement? Let me just click this and see. The problem is that a left rotation operation on a circular array shifts each of the array's elements one unit to the left. The elements that fall off the left end reappear at the right end. All the elements that fall off at the left end reappear at the right end. Given an integer d, rotate the array that many steps to the left and return the result. So if the rotation is d is equals to 2, which is given an integer d, rotate the array that many steps to the left and return the result. So I think we have the same thing here. We need to just get the array size and then we create a new array list. And then we have, we iterate through this array starting from I up to D and then from 0 up to I, given I is less than D. But this time here, I is less than the size of the array. Then we just, we add the result to the array list, and then we just return the result. So I think that's the right solution, right? But why can't we have that same problem here? Let me try to just attempt this problem. Left and right sum differences. You are given a zero index array, an integer array, nums of sizing. Define two arrays, left sum and right sum, where left sum I is the sum of elements to the left of the index I, the array nums in the array nums. If there is no such element, left sum I is equal to 0. Wait. What are we supposed to do? Sometimes this question is just super like the question might be simple, but the writing, as you can see, like the problem statement is always super hard. Let me see. Right sum I. Okay, right left sum I. Left sum I is the sum of elements to the left of the index I in the array norms. If there is no such element, that means left sum I is equals to 0. I don't know. What is this if statement supposed to say? I don't know. If there's no such element, then left sum is equals to 0. Okay, that makes sense. And then right sum I is the sum of elements to the right of the index. And if there's no such element, then we return 0. Return an integer array answer of size n, where answer I is equals to left sum I minus right sum I. Okay, let's look at the input. Nums is equals to 10, 4, 8, 3. Output should be 15, 1, 11, 22. Return an integer array answer of size n, where answer I is equals to left sum I minus right sum I. So the left sum is the sum of the elements in the left of the index I in the array nums. What? Okay, how are we even going to understand what is on the left and what's on the right? So how did they get 15 here? The array left sum is 0, 10, 14, 22. Okay, left sum I is the sum of elements to the left of the index I. So let's assume the index I is 10. There is nothing to the left of 10, so we return 0, and then we just have 10, 4. Wait. Oh, I don't know. The array left sum is 0, 10, 14, 22, and the array right sum is 15, 11, 30. Okay, how did they get the right? What's happening here? How is this an easy problem, bro? These guys, they be joking a lot. How is this an easy problem? This is just super complex, bro. Left and right sum differences. That's good. I'm good, brother. How about you? How about you? How's everything? Real Ahmed Moghal, is that you? Um, yeah, bro. Listen, I have 3 days to take my interview. I want to take it today, or maybe yeah, in the evening. So that's why I want to finish up all array problems at least. Like when I finish arrays like strings, I can finish them in like maybe 5 hours. I want to stream for like a long time so I can just do the interview later. I'm just trying to go over like array problems. So this problem is interesting. My brain just can't pick it. Define two arrays. I told you in Chronic of Ages, bro. You have I don't know why you changed your name, bro. Like yeah, you told me you wanted it was for YouTube. But have you uploaded any video though? Left sum I is the sum of elements. Hold on, you're given a zero base in a zero index integer array nouns of size and okay. So define two arrays left and right. Well, let me just try to like do that for let me just look through this. But what are we actually defining? We are going to start with int, I think left sum is equals to 0 and int right sum is equals to 0 as well. Oh. Then we iterate through this array nums for int I is equals to 0 in I is less than n, which is the size, nums of size n. So I'm just gonna come here and say int I int n is equals to nums dot length n I return I haven't uploaded videos yet. We'll do soon. Okay, congrats on the interview, bro. You'll ace it. I wish, man. I wish. It's not that easy, brother. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's not that easy. But I'll try. I'll try my level best, you know. Yeah. The deadline, we actually set a deadline which is supposed to be 30th, but they hit me up like I can do it as early as I want to. Because for some reason I was told about it like 15 days prior. So 15 days prior, I mean 10 days prior or maybe seven, I don't know. But still that should have been enough time for me to prepare, right? So let's see how it goes. Okay, we have the loop set out. What should be? We need to return an array, an integer array answer. So we need to create that integer array and answer answer is equal to new int. Okay, we need to return that integer array new int, sum of the left and the right. So we're gonna return answer. Okay, return this is where answer I is equal to left sum I minus right sum I. So okay, so we loop through everything and then we check. Hmm, I think the first loop will check the left side, and then the second loop will check the right side. The sum on the left on the right side. I don't know, bro. Like this, I don't know how an easy problem can be hard at the same time. Okay, let me see. Nums is equals to I. Output is 0. The array left sum is 0, and the array right sum is 0. So the array answer is 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Oh, okay. Let's say array nums. Okay. So if we have, what's the right sum starting from this 0 base index? Let me first open Excalibur for a sec. Okay, let's assume uh yes, we need to pick 10 4 8 3 10 4 8 3 10 4 8 3. Okay, well, I don't want to do the 10 4 8 3. Let's just use a little box. 10 4 8 3. Okay. Okay, let's have that. So if we look at the indices, this is 0 1 2 3. Then starting at, let's say I is starting at 0 index, so nums 0 is equals to 10. Okay, and then nums 3 is 3. So all right, so now which is the left? This is the right side of the array. I mean left side of the array. This is the right side of the array. So let's say I is starting at 10. Now we look at from 10, we don't consider 10, I think. We look at the right sum. So what's the right sum here? The right sum I is going to be the sum of all these numbers on the right, which will be 10 plus 4 plus 8 plus 3 is equals to what? This is 12, this is 22, this is 25. So we have 25 on the right. I do not understand. Okay, I think when we are counting from here, they would not include that. So I think we're not going to include that. That means we need to actually, yes, eliminate this. So minus 10, since we don't need that 10. So we are going to have 15, I think. Yeah, we're going to have 15. Like the right sum is going to be 15. And then the left sum is 0. Okay, fine. So now we have 15. And then we move forward a little bit. We move, yes, we move by 1. So we are going to have index at 4. So now when the index is on 1, right sum of 1, right sum of 1 should give us 8. Now here left sum of 1 of 0, right sum of 0 is this, and left sum of 0 is the company you're doing the interview for, a local company or international? It's actually a Canadian company from Canada. Local companies, they don't ask DSA questions. Is equals to what? 0. Okay, that makes sense. Now, one, we are going to now consider, we're not going to consider 4 again. We're just going to consider 8 and 3. That's going to be 11. That is good. And then we the left sum is going to be 10. Okay, now on index 2, the right sum, now we move this by 1. Now the right sum will be 3, and then the left sum, the left will now be 14. Okay. I think we kind of making sense now. Now we move to the end of the array. The end of the array is 3, so the right sum of 3 is going to be the right sum of array is now going to be 0 when we reach 3, and then the left sum will be everything on the left. We're gonna have 12, 22, so we're gonna have 22. And then if we now get left sum, if we add left sum numbers on the left sum I, this array is now going to be 0. We're gonna have 0, 10, 14, 22. 0, okay, 10, 14, 22. Okay, well, I'm now starting to get the point now. So right sum, right sum is equals to, let's have a look. Right sum will now be 15, 11, 30. 15, 11, 30. Okay, okay. I think that makes sense. And then now the result, we are gonna call it answer. Answer I is now going to be the difference of these two arrays. So it is, I think it is left minus right. What's the difference here? The answer is return an integer array answer of n, where n is equals to left sum I minus left sum minus right sum. So it's actually 0 minus 15. I think it's gonna give us what? It's gonna give us something like 15. I don't know. It will give us negative 15, I think. And then 10 minus 11 is going to give us 1, negative 1. I don't know if that's true. 14 minus 3 is going to give us 11. And then 22 minus 0 is going to give us 22. And then I think we need absolute answers. So it's going to be 15, 11, I mean negative. I think it's going to be 1, 11, and 22. Hold on, let's have a look at, um, okay. Let's see. The output is 15, 1, 11, and 22. 15, 1, 11, and 22. We are ignoring the negatives. Oh, hold on. So since it's like left, the absolute, yes, as you can see, the absolute of left, that means we are considering absolute. We're only taking positives, right? So that should give us the answer. I think that's the answer. But now how we're gonna take this into code? So I think now that I understand is that we need to iterate through up to the end of the array size, which is what we have here. We have the answer. Int answer is equals to new int. Well, answer is not equal to this. Okay, this is just initiating the answer, initializing the answer. But we're gonna have to first iterate through this, and we're gonna say um left sum here we said is equals to 0. That is not true. Mm, let me remove that. Okay. So let me try to do this. Here we're gonna have int. Let's start with the left sum. Left sum is equals to left sum of I. Okay, so left sum is, how are we getting left sum? Let's see. Left sum is adding everything in the array on the left, starting from I. So how are we gonna do that? 0, 10, mm, 0, 10, 14, 22. Hmm. I is equals to 0, I is less than n plus plus. Now I do not understand how we're going to add everything on the left, starting from I. How do we do that? How do we add everything? So let's say left sum is equals to, I think, how do we add everything? Nums I is everything. So left sum is equals to nums I. Oh Lord, hold on. Let's say now 10, I is on 10. So if I is on 10, num 0 is equals to 10. Nums I, num 0, nums 1, nums 2, nums 3. So how do we do that? Nums at length. So I think this will be nums I is equals to n, but the sum, how do you get a sum of all elements? Wait, let me first look up. How do we add up elements in an array? Java. To sum up, I'll use a loop to iterate through the array and accumulate values in a variable or leverage Java streams. Okay. So we're gonna have the array just like this in sum is equals to 0. So we're starting with this. Yeah, I think I was doing it right. Okay, then we add up everything plus I. Okay, that is the left sum. Starting with 0, add up everything on the left. Then another for loop that will add up. Okay, use for each loop cleaner syntax without indexing, but we need indexing. Okay, I think that is that. Let me go and initialize int. This is gonna be the what? The left sum. Uh, left sum is equals to 0. I think both of them are gonna start from 0. Okay, left sum is all gonna start from 0. Then we're gonna have the left sum plus equals to add everything to the nums array. I don't know if that's the correct way to do it. Okay, here's the array. So sum is this, sum plus this, and then so we need to sum up for all the elements. Okay, nums I. I think that should do it. That is the first one. And right sum is equals to 0. Okay. The right sum is also the same as this. Okay, and then answer is equals to, I think, math dot absolute. I don't know if, how do we get the absolute? Yeah, the absolute of array in Java. Absolute of negative numbers to get the absolute value of an array in Java, you apply math.apps. Yeah, I think that's what I did. Now I is equals to math.apps. And then, yeah, math.absolute. Now I, okay. I think that is going to do it. So math.apps, I think that's the correct one. Math.apps, we need to add up um left sum minus right sum, and then we return that answer. Or we could just return it from here, new int, uh, something like this. Maybe we return new int answer, but we've already initialized that though, so that should work. Let's try it out and see. Array dimension is missing. Fixed size n, I think. Let's see. Array of size n. I think int cannot be converted. Wait, int cannot be converted to int. Uh, nums I and write some I, something like that. Let's try it again. Okay, what's going on? Array required, but int found. Oh, this should be array. Wait, array? Huh? What's actually going on? I think I'm almost getting the answer, but Certain things are not right. Left some. Oh, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be like this, and then I just have to. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try this method. Okay, now we're gonna have some problems. So everything seems correct except how do we get this? Okay, hold on. Left sum I minus right sum I. Answer is because of mother obsolete. Left sum I minus right sum I. I think this could be the issue. The way we are initializing this outside. I don't know. Let's try to run this. Array required, but int found. Okay, let's see. Array sum I. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I think this is why I've fallen short. So let me just ask AI. Check out um my solution. Yeah, my completely wrong. Let's see what's happening. Broken. The problem requires sum of elements before I, sum of elements after I. Oh, good evening. What's up, Phil? How are you doing, my brother? Okay. So we are duplicating ourselves. Okay. Not valid Java for real. Assigning into array, that's crazy. Answer I. All right, so the correct one, computer sum first. So this was all fine. So we need to compute the total sum. So int total sum is equal to 0. And then for each number with the nums, add the total sum to the num. Add that number. I mean total sum. Okay. And then left sum is equal to 0 for I up to this. Int right sum is equal to total sum minus left sum minus nums I. What? Okay, we have the total sum. And if left sum is 0, to get the right sum, it should be the total sum minus the left sum minus nums I. Answer I, mother absolute, left minus right. Okay, left sum. Okay, first let's get the explanation for this. Explain. Yo, Sugar Sherry was good. Hey, you guys are doing great, bro. Like I'm trying. You know what's funny? This is I don't know if I should show you guys the email, but I got the email from like the recruiter. They said I need to do the interview not less than 30th. Actually, not less than tomorrow. But I want to do it today. They said I can do it today if I want to, and I just want to do it today so I can just get it off my mind. I didn't go to school today. I didn't go to uni today. Um, so I'm just locked in, like trying to uh get as much done as possible, so that later in the evening I can take the interview and at least just relax, because this stuff is just keeping me like, yeah, you feel what I'm saying. And also we are going to be building FilthiLink, which is a URL shortener SaaS application. we're gonna be working on it as well. And yeah, I think that is all that's on the plate or on the table. Keep us updated on the interview. I will. I will definitely. I definitely will, man. Hopefully, we learn something. You're gonna suck because you're trying to compute left and so on at the same time without a clear invariant. Let's simplify it mechanically. For each index I, answer I is the absolute value, the absolute difference of left sum and right sum. Left sum is equals to the sum of elements before I, right sum is the sum of elements after I. The key trick is this removes confusion. Instead of recomputing right sum every time, right sum is equals to total sum minus left sum minus nums I. All the best with your interview. Yeah. Thank you so much, my brother. Thanks, man. I'll do my best. Yeah, I'll do my best for sure. Total sum is equals to the sum of all elements. Subtract total sum is for sum of all elements. Subtract everything on the left sum. Current element nums I. What remains is the right side. Oh, that's actually true. So right sum is the total sum minus the left sum minus the current element. Yes, because we are not considering the current element. I think that's the thing that I did not put in perspective. If you see here, we're actually doing it well. I was at 10. That means we are not considering 10. We are only considering the sum of all elements to the right of I. And then that's the right sum. And then the left sum is 0 because there's nothing on the left. And then we move to the next element. We don't consider that element. We consider all the elements after it. Binod, my good friend. What's good, man? I have one of my friends who told me he knows you. Oh, who's that? Tell me, bro. I probably know him. Who's that? How are there only 10 people, bro? What's going on LeetCode? Is this a mistake? How are there only 10 people online? What's going on with LeetCode? I usually get about 3,000, 10,000 people. What's happening? Is it because of AI? I know Ajawin, man. That's my dog, bro. Is it Emmanuel? Am I mistaken here? Is that guy called Emmanuel too? Emmanuel Ajawin, something like that. He's a Shiluk, isn't it? That's my guy, man. He is the one. That's my dog, bro. That's my guy. Yeah, my boy. That's my guy right there, boy. You know my name is Emmanuel too, right? That's my namesake, bro. That's my brother. I know Emmanuel very well. Um, this guy is chilling, man. He's living life. uh, wait, have you graduated yet? I think, have you graduated? Bernard, shut up. Slap the shit out of you, bro. Shut up. Oh my god, bro. You know what's funny though? You guys always make my day, dog. Like soon as I jump on stream, I know I'm in for a treat. That's the thing. Yeah, man. Amir, how do you know the guy, man? How do you know my guy? How do you know him, bro? Left is equals to this, and update the sum. I think I now understand it, right? While we're subtracting it. So we need to just initialize the sum starting from 0. And then for each number within nums, add this number to the total sum. And then int left, we start with at least an invariant, which is going to be, which is going to give us at least the remaining part. Done with the semester. Okay, we're in the same department. He's electrical and electronics. I'm doing electronics. Yes, actually. Yeah, for sure. You know what's funny? We were doing the same course. Um, I was doing the same course, electrical engineering, and we used to vibe, talk about the stuff. But yeah, that was it. That was it. I think he wanted. I think he was in Turkey before. I don't know if I'm mistaken. He was in Turkey. Then he went to India. Or he was in India since. I don't remember the exact, but something like that. Turkey, I guess. Filthy has global audience. Bino, that's my boy. You guys are left with presentation only. You're done with the semester. Wow. Bro, I'm starting my final year in September. Bro, the course that we're doing, nope, he's in India. He didn't go to Turkey. Oh, he was in, okay, yeah, he was in India. It's my other friend. There's another friend of mine also called Jawin that is in Turkey. There's another dude also called Emmanuel, and there's Shen Jok and some other guys. I have a lot of friends in India, boy, like a lot of them. But yeah, Jawin, that guy is a goat, bro. Don't play with him. He's some good guy. Okay, fixed size also. We initialize the sum, we loop through each element, then add the sum to that, and then we initialize the left sum. And then for every element in right sum will now give us subtract everything, including that very number. And then answer I is now gonna, okay. This is the issue. The absolute value of left minus right should give us the answer, and then everything else should be that same number. So left sum is we add the left sum. We add these numbers to the left sum. Filter, bro, drop some tutorials on lead code problem. Bro, how can I drop tutorials when I'm struggling? Like I'm literally struggling, bro. These people they can say easy, but the problem is hard. I can't, dog. I can't. I need to get better. I need to get better for sure. All right, so we need two for loops here. The first one, we need to initialize the total sum. Total sum is equal to 0. What? And then we just have for every element, for every number, num within nums array, we go ahead and just add that number to the total. Okay. Total sum, not total just. Total sum is equal to that number. And then we loop through this. So we initialize the left sum is equal to 0. And then we are going to take for every answer I, we need left sum minus right sum, the absolute value, the absolute number or whatever. That means we don't need negatives. Okay, let's go ahead and see what next we need to add here. I think we need to now compute the left sum, I mean the right sum actually. Right sum is gonna be everything on the total sum minus the left sum minus that very number that we are starting at. I mean the starting position. Okay, that makes sense. And then as soon as we get the absolute value, we also add it as the left sum. So left sum is going to have nums I to it. And I think, yeah, that should work. The only competitive programming side I'm good at is button CSS. Boy, how do you battle with CSS, bro? Like, some content creators are just like ironic. I mean, if you go to YouTube right now and look up CSS buttons, you see people sweating and saying this is the hardest thing. Yeah, it's good at academics, for real, for real, for real. Um, you guys are, when are you guys graduating though? Is it this December? And I heard that in India, like the style is different. International students graduate differently from the natives. Is that true? This problem has been accepted. Not bad. Uh, okay, not bad. Let's have a look at another solution. It's actually a medium problem. I don't think we need to do any more medium problems. I've had enough already of mediums. Yeah, in my university they do. Wait, bro, you have 2 months to finish. Uh, yo, what is Nightbot saying, bro? Stop spamming. Alright, Nightbot should not do too much in our chat. Night, Nightbot is just doing too much at this point, bro. Uh, bro, you left with 2 months to graduate, bro. Yo, Nightbot removed my boy's stuff. Bro, what's your acceptance rate in lead code? Acceptance rate. Wait, what do you mean by acceptance rate? I don't even know. Should I just click my acceptance rate? Is 84.4, boy. Unc, say say hi. Yo, I can hear you. What's up, my G? I think Nightbot removed your comment, right? It's a little bot. Yeah, it's a little bot that comes with how do I call it? It's a yeah, progress, I think. Should I just click my profile? Yes, sir. Look at that, boy. We are ranked 3 millionth. I think we are 4 million person in the world. My exams are going on right now. How's the interview? I did not sit for it yet. I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna do the interview today, boy. Hopefully we get something good. So I think we're gonna start working on Tiny on FilthiLink, which is gonna be a URL shortener. Oh, so we've done one simple array easy problem. You got this. Thank you. Thank you so much, brother. Oh, arrays problems are just super like there are a lot. There's also foursome, threesome closet. Okay, the Sudoku solver. This is hard. Valid Sudoku is also hard. Permutations. Well, I think just doing these questions randomly won't help, right? Removing an element, the next permutation. Removing an element from an array, should it be hard? Let's say given an integer array nums and integer value, remove all occurrences of value and nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed, then return the number of elements nums which are not equal to the value. Consider the number of elements nums which are not equal to the value. Decay to get accepted. You need to do the following things. Change the array now such that the first k elements of nums contain the elements which are equal to the value, the remaining elements are not. No. This stuff is I don't know, bro. Like lit code is just super hard now. Lit code is super hard. DSA in general. I don't know. Yeah. I'll do my best. I'll do my best for sure. I'll do my best, bro. I'll do my best. So when are we gonna start building the URL shortener? I think we can start working on it, right? Just give me a sec. Let me play one game. If they beat me, lead code English is way more harder than the yeah, for sure. Like sometimes the actual problem can be easy, but the way they word it, the way they word it will just make it super hard for no reason. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Close Sicilian defense. Oh, okay. Boy wants to do some nasty checkmate ideas. Some crazy checkmating ideas. Okay, now I'm blocking this pawn, which is just weird. I'm blocking this pawn. I don't know why I did block that pawn. I don't know why I just blocked this pawn though. That was weird. That was completely weird. Now I have to remove this again so I can push this pawn. Okay, what's going on? You've just helped me to like at least free up my pawn. Nice. Okay. Oh, this is what? This is blitz. This is actually blitz. I think I'm gonna take. Should I just take that? Oh, just come here and then. All right. I'm thinking he wants to take here and then bring this here. But let me just take here. If it takes, I take. No, he's just gonna take that, and I'm gonna be in trouble. Let me just put this. Let me take the center. Okay. Oh my God. If it takes that, I'm not gonna be cooked though. Because I can take here. Oh, I don't wanna actually take. Let him just take that. That was a gift for him. That was actually a gift for him. Good. I wanna give you another gift as well. Take this. He's gonna take with that knife. Yes. 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 Boy is fried. Now he's stuck. He can't move. And this can't move as well. Okay, boy wants to like get some checkmating ideas, but boy is not like that. I don't know who told you about that, that you can just checkmate me easily like that. Okay, what if I take this with check and then what else is he gonna play? Nothing. Oh, he can take me though, so let me just take this away. Alright, fair enough. So I'm just gonna just check there. Oh my god, that was good. Shit, that was bad. That was bad. That was terrible. That was terrible from me. That was terrible from me, boy. Okay. Uh, okay. If it takes this with the queen is cooked. His queen is cooked. If it takes that with the queen is cooked. Bro, give like Mr. Beast in the chest. What do you mean? I'm confused. What do you mean by bro give like Mr. Beast in chess? Okay. Uh what if I take this, right? Oh, what is this guy trying to do? I don't know. I don't understand what he's trying to do though. Okay. Whatever he does, let's see. Let's see how it's going to help out. Just gonna play here. He might push or he might block here. I don't know. Ah, okay, he saved himself from the pin. That's crazy. But that won't be for long though. Okay, I'm just gonna give up this bishop. Oh, he's gonna take this bishop though if I don't do anything about it. I don't know. Let him just take the bishop and see. I should just take the bishop in front of the queen? Yeah, I don't know if that's okay. Bro, what's going on with Nightbot? Nightbot is going nuts. Nightbot is going nuts. Nightbot is going nuts. What's happening? You can take this. I got some crazy battery that is just gonna cause some chaos. Yo, what's good? What's the name? Niraj. What's popping? Take the bishop. What did he play? Okay, trying to block off my queen. But there's nothing that is. This is a free pawn, isn't it? think that was a free pawn. Yeah, that was a free pawn. Why the hell did he play that? Let me just put my queen here. It's gonna be GG's. Oh, it's gonna be crazy GG's. Alright. Boy has allowed us to play the most craziest of the crazy. We have some crazy battery loading. Ah! Ah! I should suck the queen. That is game down. I don't need to suck nothing. Right? He's just gonna take here and is GG's. Ah! Wait. What's the point of playing this though? Okay, the queen is gonna die if I just take it there unnecessarily. So this is crazy. This is actually crazy. Yeah, this is I don't know how to win this. I need to take the right. It will come with check, right? Yeah. Matter of fact, he has to take. Makes sense. Whoa! Hold on. How are we playing? What's going on? If I take there, I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I should have taken the right one. God, I'm cooked. I'm gonna lose this in this 30 seconds, bro. Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. I fumbled, man. Yeah, I don't know what to play right now. I'm just gonna play this. Um, Tech. He's just gonna take. Oh, yeah, I'm cooked. I'm I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Okay. Look at this fool. Aye, bro, this guy is foolish. We've lost the time though. Mm. He might play here attack and then I'll take him. Alright. Cooked. I don't know what made me just mess up there. But somehow managed to lose his crazy work. Oh my god. Hey, look, I'm even taking my own. Like, what in the hell is going on with me? What if I take this though? He can just take me, isn't it? Yeah. Good. Good, boy. I'm about to. Yeah, good. Do ampersand on here? Let's see. Let's see. I cannot do ampersand though. He's. I cannot. Oh, time, my time. How did I lose though? How did I lose? What happened? Okay, what was I supposed to do here? En passant is a French word for in person. All right, I think I think I started going wrong here. The boy really thought well here. This was a blunder, right? Oh, wait, this was a blunder. What was I supposed to play? Oh, I was supposed to just calm down here. Okay, I blundered that and still managed to blunder. Yeah, this was good. Okay, that was good as well. As you can see though, like the okay, I was still gonna lose. I was still gonna lose. Yeah, I do have premium, bro. Stop playing with me. Like what are you talking about, bro? Like come on. I got premium. Calm down, bro. Ah, okay. I'm gonna play the last game, then we can just go ahead and like prep for the tiny URL that we are building. Tiny URL, the URL shortener. Yes, we are going for fried liver attack. Fried liver attack. Oh my god. Fried liver. Ah, fried liver attack. Ah. Okay. Not really fried liver though, but uh, I don't know. Not really fried liver, but we got some chaos that we're gonna create there. Ah, what if you took another side? Well, what's going on here? Why did this guy just jump all the way there? What if I say check? He has to take somehow, and he cannot take with this. He has to take with his queen, I think. And his queen is dead. Oh, he has to move this and I take the rook. Oh, that was tough. That's tough. That's tough, boy. Okay, taking that is, I'm fine. I'm fine with that. I really don't give a shit about that. So let me just, oh, did he just fumble? I thought he fumbled his queen, but let me see if he will fumble his queen. Let's see if he will fumble his queen. Or he might just play somewhere here, then he's dead. He fumbled his queen. Yes. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. He resigned. It's fun. It's fun. I love I love it when these guys just resign. I like it when these guys just resign. So I took back my I took back my 8 points. Let's let's go. I took back my eight points. Wait, I think that game. Hold on. I think I had like 100% in this game. Let me first review this. In 10 moves, somebody resigned. I think I have 100% if I'm not lying. How did? Oh, what the hell? Why do I? Oh, because the person we didn't reach the end game, and he just quit. Okay, fair enough. Everything is book move here. Oh, that was wrong. I was supposed to use what? I was supposed to use the bishop instead. Alright, but I still managed to bring this though. Yeah. I also blunder. I was supposed to take that with the queen. I was supposed to take that with the queen. That doesn't matter though. Because his queen is dead. See how they're saying it's a blunder, right? But somehow somebody just boom. So yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that much. You feel me? Alright, let's go to designing our application. I think we don't even need so much. I'm just gonna go to Claude. And I need Claude to give me like the entire design doc. I am currently building a URL shortener SaaS application. My tech stack is purely Java, Java Spring Boot, Java Spring Boot, and Next.js frontend. Now, get me end-to-end design doc. Design doc. I can go off, and keep me organized. I want to use Notion to track my progress. So let's get let's get to work. Now I'm gonna say you are a senior architect because I think that's you are a senior backend. I think a senior full stack full oh my god full stack architect and your job is guide me guide me. Okay. And then I'm currently building URL shortner SaaS application. My tech stack is purely Java, Spring Boot, and Next.js frontend. Spring Boot. Okay, let's say Postgres. I've used Postgres a lot though. Like, why can't I use another like MySQL or something? I'm just gonna say PostgreSQL, DB. What else? What else do we need for that payment? I'm gonna use Dodo payments, which is like Stripe. And Next.js front end. Now get me end-to-end design doc. Design doc I can go off of and keep me organized. I want to use Notion to track my progress, so let's get to work. Yes, I'm giving AI the job, my boy. Mm. I have enough context. Now let me build this comprehensive design doc as an interactive architect. What artifact? Okay, artifact. Architect artifact. All right. So I that's just the way I like. People say how do you use AI? This is how you use AI. You don't use AI to like code for you. You use AI to guide you. Because these are roles or things that are done by like senior engineers and architects and all of this stuff. But AI has given you the power to do that. So we might as well take advantage of that. Yeah, you feel me? Like I said, we have everything that we need. Full stack architecture schema, API, payment tiers, phased build plan, each section to expand. So we have this. All right. Let's see what we got cooking. API gateway engine X as the reverse proxy. We are not really gonna do too much here. We need to look at everything that we're gonna need per plan plus per IP. So I think rate limiting is also gonna be something that we need to like take care of. Let's see. Bro, like AI has just gotten so good. Like so good, bro. Like it's even scaring me, dog. Yeah, scary, dog. So scary. What's going on? The key architectural decisions, redirect endpoints, /r/code, lives in Next.js middleware. Every time someone rejoins live, they find failed to do new thing. Yeah, they find some people come when I'm playing chess. Some people come when I'm what's the name? When I'm coding, some come when I'm doing DSA. That's nice though. We have some crazy variety, my boy. Okay. Dashboard plus marketing. All right, is it done? Wrapping up the entire design doc. Yes, so let's wrap up the entire design doc, then we can get to work. Here's your full design document. Let me walk you through the key decisions baked in. I'm gonna tell it to get me next step Notion setup. Not now. I'm out of credits at the bottom of the section 7. Oh, okay. The design doc is actually there already. So we don't have to worry. I don't want to pay for none of this stuff. Okay. So let's see. Let's walk through this. Here's your full design document. Let me walk you through the key decisions baked into it. Architectural rationale, the redirect path. We're gonna have /r/code lives in Next.js middleware that checks Redis first. This means the vast majority of redirects never touch your Spring Boot server. That's what lets you keep latency low even on cheap hosting. Yeah, I think this is fine. But I really want to I want to include I could contribute in Next.js frontend, make the repo public. Okay. I'll try my level best. You feel me? So yeah, we shall do that for real. Data payments wiring, this is fine. I'm not really worried about this. Database click events will grow fast. I've noted it should be partitioned by month from day one. Much easier to set up now than migrate later. Okay, phase payments in phase 3, not phase 2, because you need analytics working fast. That's your core value prop for paid plans. Do not build billing before you have something worth paying for. Okay, I think that's it. So what are we starting with actually? The system architecture. Dashboard plus marketing, public redirect handler, API gateway. Now I'm going, bro, outcome sometime later. All right, no worries, my brother. What is Nightbot saying? I think Nightbot really comes in to chill, right? So no problem, brother. Like, go have fun. Anytime you just come back, you find me chilling. All right. Binod, Binod, my brother. When are you gonna come, bro? Like, I think when you come back, I beat you in chess. When you come back, I beat you in chess. Okay. The backend, we're gonna need auth service. This time, I don't think we are gonna include this. By the way, boys, by the way, we are going to buy a server, right? We're gonna buy a server, and we are gonna buy, a custom server VPS. Actually, we're gonna buy a VPS, and then the VPS virtual private server. Yeah, yeah, it's actually a server. And then after that, we shall use Coolify. I've changed my mind. We are not gonna be using Railway anymore, bro. Railway is not my friend anymore. We're not friends with Railway. So we're gonna be using Coolify. So that is just for you guys to know, like the hosting part of everything. Now let's look at how we're gonna approach these problem statements. We have authentication that is gonna be in place, and then the link service, that's a CRUD plus redirecting logic. So how are we gonna do that? I don't know. Analytics service, click tracking, and then the billing service. So this is just a very simple application. We need authentication working. We need to work on the link service, and then the analytics service and the billing. Yeah, that should do it really. Postgres. The data we're gonna have Postgres, and then Redis, redirect cache plus rate limiting, then ClickHouse or PG timescale for analytic events. And then data payments, that's fine. And then emails, that's also fine. Okay, let's look at the schema. What do we need here in the schema? We have the ID, the design doc, everything is organized. So we have the ID of the user, the email, the password, the plan. Should we really include the password and all of that? I'd say maybe we just choose the ID and the email. We leave out the password, then the name, the plan, and then the customer ID, the subscription ID, and then the subscription status, and it created that. And then for the links, this is what is going to be like the main point of the application. We have the ID, the user ID, and the short code. Now the short code could be anything, right? Could be maybe base 62 random characters, maybe, I don't know. And then we have the original URL. So we have the user ID, that is the user that is connected to this link or attributed to the link, and then the short code and the original URL, then the title. I don't know what the title is supposed to be there, but I don't know. What is even custom slug? I don't know as well. What is a password hash? Do we really need all of this? Expires that. Yes, we need that. Is active, Boolean is fine. Click count is some we also need. And then the click events, the ID, the link ID, and then the click that, IP hash, country, city, device type, browser, referral, if we need to have referrals. And I don't know what UTM source means, UTM medium and UTM campaign. I don't know any of this in the click events. I don't know. And webhooks, this is for the payments. So I think that's all we need. I think that's all we need, right? The schema is nice, except some things that I don't understand. The APIs, we're gonna have auth register and login, refresh and log out, Me to get update the passwords. Hi broski, yo, what's good, brother? How you doing? We'll register return a JWT. Here we'll return JWT plus refresh. Okay. Let's go to links. We have I think we should just work on the links and then leave the auth out. We can start with the links. This API slash v1 slash links creates a short link, and then get will get paginated links, all the links. I don't know if we need that. ID, single ID, update the title. Okay. Soft delete. And what is this? Public redirect, Next.js middleware first. Okay. The request body will have like the original URL required. My campaign, I don't know, this should be optional. My link, this for pros only, and then oh, the custom slug is actually going to be like the alias. Now I get it. The password should be this. I don't know if we need all of that. Let's leave that out. Then we'll go to analytics. For analytics, clicks over time, country breakdown, device browser split. Okay. And then billing. I think everything here now is just going to be straightforward. These ones are already handled by the payment provider. We don't have to create this from scratch. So that should do it. Pricing plans is fine. Front end structure is going to be as easy as that. Security checklist. Okay. So now we need to work on this, and then we can go to other stuff. So I think you guys get a point now, like the entire overview of what we are going to be building. URL shortener. It shouldn't be as hard as AI is making it seem. So we are gonna start a new project called FilthiLink. Link actually. This is gonna be a Spring Boot application. Okay. FilthiLink. We need to create a Git repository. Maven. Can we just choose Java 20? Let's just stick with Java 21. YAML. That should be fine. Okay, we're gonna need web, Spring Web. We're gonna need Docker Compose, run everything, but then we also need Docker Compose. We need a JPA. What else do we need? We need validation. We need, oh my God. Now I'm thinking, what should we build it like? I think this a regular monolith is enough for this application. It doesn't really need much. Okay, should we add the Spring Security for now? I don't think. So I'm gonna leave our Spring Security. We have web, Docker Compose. We're gonna need Postgres driver. We have web, Docker Compose, JPA, validation, and Postgres. That is really enough for now. Yeah, that's gonna be enough for now. Okay, it's done resolving all the dependencies. So we should be able to run our application. Let's run it, and hopefully something is going to run. Yeah, because there's nothing, right? We need to check for Docker Compose. Okay, we need to make sure Docker is running. So Docker, and also Docker Compose YAML. I need to change it because it's having a bunch of nothing. So let's go to scalable API? Nope. To my actual platform. So the code base for my platform that is live. This is way too big, man. It's way too big. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this, close this off. Press this. We need to just get rid of this. Postgres 17. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave Postgres 17. Now this is gonna be FilthiLink PG. That's a container name. Okay, then this is gonna be FilthiLink DB. Okay, since I'm using this, why am I adding? We should stick with camel case. Filthy pass, that's fine. So we're gonna grab this and change this, just add data to it. Okay, I'm just gonna have this like data. Just like that. Copy this as well. Remove this RabbitMQ key from here and just replace it with this. All right, I think this is fine. I'm just gonna leave this like the latest. Just gonna have the latest Postgres. Up your mic volume. Wait a minute. Up my mic volume. Okay. Is that not loud as hell? Is that not way too loud, boy? Wait a minute. How can I increase this out of nowhere without making it too loud? Is it not loud enough? Or I actually need to go to volume, something like that, properties? No. What is it at, dog? Like, my brain is not braining. Yo, my brain is not braining, boy. So I don't know. I don't know. Where is it even? How do I get that part? So I think I'm just gonna have to talk a bit louder. Um, I'm just gonna have to talk louder. Okay, we have that in place. So now if we go ahead and run this application, it should probably run. What's going on here? Docker compose. Let's see. Okay, we do not have any application that is, just give it a sec. We need to update to this. Is this something new? Do we also just download IntelliJ? Python? Okay. Let me just update this. Update and restart. Just gonna say update and restart. So it's gonna download what we need. Now, let me just go here and create a new package or class. I'm just gonna say we're gonna need two classes. Auth. We're gonna need auth. I mean, how many packages should we get? Auth service. Yeah, we're gonna need auth, and we're gonna need what, analytics, and we're gonna need links, and finally payments. So these are like, yep, these are the four things we're gonna need. And then on top of that, within analytics, we can have the analytics service there. Within the auth, we can have the auth service there, and stuff like that. That's really gonna do it. I think. Here we're gonna have global exception handler. Yep, we're gonna need that. We're gonna need a global exception handler. Oh, I'm just gonna call these exceptions. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna add is probably, oh, let's just have repositories. Repositories. Okay, we have repositories, and then we're gonna need mappers. Um, we're gonna need configs. Okay, let's just restart this IntelliJ. Feel like singing a prayer, make it to the night. Make it to the night. Record that everything is stranger. Okay, so we have that. What else? I'm just gonna have services here and controllers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick auth, analytics, links, payments, repositories. I mean, not repositories. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and copy and then paste them inside the service. So service is going to have analytics, auth, links, payments. And controllers is going to have the same thing. So then we can remove them from here now. Okay. We have controllers. That's nice. So let's just remove this from here. Links and payments from there. Okay. Now we have configs, controllers, exceptions, mappers, repositories, services. So we have the 4 services and the 4 controllers. So that's nice. Now I think what are we gonna start with today? We're gonna do some migrations, I think. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some migrations. We're also gonna need models as well, which will be entities. Entities, and within the entities, we're going to have models and DTOs. Models and DTOs. Okay, now this is something I hate when it just creates it like this. Butter. Let's just say DTO. Okay, something like this. Add. I'm just gonna now create this models and DTOs. Then we can just go ahead and remove this. All right, that's fine. So now we have the entire architecture. What else do we need to add? Yeah, that's all. Repositories, we have that. By the way, for the repositories, we also need to like have all of this, just in case we're gonna need repository for everything. So we also need the repository to have this ones. All right. I think with this in place, you can try to create, let's just call this a test health check. Let's just call this health check, health, API health or health check or test or whatever. We're just gonna call that health controller. And this is just going to be a REST controller. And we're going to need this request mapping. Then we can have slash API slash v1 slash health. I think that is it. This is just gonna, let's create a public method. Call, it's gonna take a string. I think we can just call this health. Health, and then we just return server is running. And let's annotate this with like get mapping. And if we get this, that should work. Let's try it out. Test out this. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, we have some issue. I don't know why we have some problems with Docker. Postgres volume must be a string. What do I have? Yo, bro, one more chess. Bro, I thought you said your dad is dead. You don't want your dad to, you don't want your dad to clear you. Yeah, we shall play chess. Just give it a sec. Just give it a sec. Give it a sec. Shall play chess. I don't know what's going on with this. What's the issue with the volume? Volume. What's up with this? Okay, do we have this scalable API? Let me see. Update available. So, okay, I think we just let's try to say Docker compose up in the touch mode. Must wait the validating this compose volumes one must be a string. What did we have here? Okay, I said filter link PG error. Could this be an issue? Could this be an issue? What's with the string? I don't know. What is supposed to be a string here? This is VG data, Postgres data. What's going on with this? Okay. Docker compose up in the touch mode. Services must be a string. Wait. Is this not a string already? I say, why is it giving us this error? Why are we getting that error? This means Docker compose found an invalid second item in your volume list. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even get to notice it. It be simple things like this that just annoys someone. Oh, when I clicked enter, I had clicked enter before. That's why. Oh my God. Okay, let's just go back here and just call this FilthiLink PG data. And then copy this, paste this. All right, that's fine. Now, if we run this, it should work. Yes, it's working. Okay, so now we can test out that endpoint by even just going here to slash 8,000 localhost, not 3,000 actually, 8,000, I mean 80 slash API, it's not slash hello slash v1 slash health. This should be HTTP localhost. Yes, servers running. So that is fine. We can even test it from here, but yeah, it's a lot, whole lot of stuff on here. Close everything. So let's create a new collection. No, actually within the collections, let's click. We need a new collection. New collection. I'm gonna call this FilthiLink. FilthiLink. Wait, has it been added? Let me try to close this. Do we have FilthiLink? Yes, is here. FilthiLink. Now we need to add a request. This endpoint is gonna be health endpoint. It's gonna be the same endpoint as localhost. Bro, what we just had right now. We're gonna have HTTP localhost 8080 slash API slash v1 slash health. Okay, click servers running. So we are good to go. I think the entire thing is fine. We have everything that we need. We have the health check controller. What else? We have configs. We have the exceptions, and I think that is that. Why do we even have help MD? Let me just remove this. There are certain things that we don't actually need. Like what's going on here for further reference, please consider the following. Let me just remove this markdown. It's not really useful. We have git ignore. Okay, so I'm going to just stop the server right now, and I'm gonna go to my GitHub. Bro, what's funny is that I haven't added anything to my Git in a while. Like, look at this. I haven't coded in how many weeks? One week and 2 days now. I haven't coded a thing. Okay, so what else? That's the backend. We need to create a new repository. Let's go to repositories. Let's create a new repo. I'm gonna call this FilthiLink. FilthiLink, I think it should be FilthiLink server or FilthiLink backend. Either way, I'm just gonna call this FilthiLink server or client. Let's just call this backend and front end, not backend, back end. All right, what's going on here? Should I keep it public? No, I'm gonna keep it private. Like, what else? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it private. Yeah, private. Let's just go. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and just click this, copy that, go back here and say git. We don't really need to say git in it. I think we can just say git add everything that we have in the staging area. Git commit, fast commit. This is just gonna be fast commit for FilthiLink plugin. Let's go. All right. If we refresh this, we have our fast commit with everything there. Good. Good. We have everything that we need. We have the health check, everything in place. So I think from there, the next thing will be working on this service, link service, and all this extra stuff. So that should do it for today's work on FilthiLink. Let's remove the backend and we just go and create the front end. Yeah, we need to create a front end on anti-gravity. I like to just code like those two things alongside each other. It just makes it easier for me. So I'm not gonna open anything. I actually need to open Ghosty. Let's open Ghosty. I'm just gonna say, let me first check what do we have. CD developer. Let's check the developer, CD web dev, and let's check the web dev. Yep. So now we need to go ahead and create the front end. So we're gonna have make directory. What are we making? We are gonna have filter link. Filter link. So let's call this filter link front end. Yeah, I'm just gonna call this filter link. It's fine, whether front end or back end. Um, do we have it now? Yes, we have a CD filter link. And then let's see, we don't have anything in here. We are just gonna open this on anti-gravity. So that's fine. Restart to update. Okay. Oh, we are coding, we are chilling. Okay. View change log. Nope. Let's just open this instead. I'm gonna go ahead and say I think it's bun x create next up at latest. That is gonna do it. Okay, Phil, because of NPM naming restrictions, they no longer allow capital letters. Now that's a problem. I hate that. What's going on with NPM, boy? Let's just go manually and change it. Let's just go and change filter link, rename it as remove L. Okay, they just open it again. Filter link. Is it still capital letters? No. So I'm just gonna get out and say ls. Then we say cd filter link, filter link, right? Yep. And then that is fine. So what else? I think we can just say create next create next upper letters. That should work. Yes. TypeScript everything. Oh my goodness. Mm. Okay, it's taking quite some minutes. It's taking some minutes. Count. Right, hurry up, boy. Boy, if you don't finish up, god damn it. Out of that shit, no, man, no. Okay, wait. We just coding and chilling. We just coding and chilling. So that, there you go. I think it's done successfully. We have a Next.js application. I'm gonna close this off just so that I can refresh everything from scratch. It doesn't disturb me again. All right, filter link. Why does this Explorer still show filter link? I don't know. That's fine. Let's say bundle. See what we have so far. All right, we have that. Now I'm just gonna go to shortcn because why not? I like shortcn. We're gonna use chassis and UI. I'm just gonna go ahead and shuffle through this styles. I need a simple styling guide. Okay. What should we pick? Boys, what should we pick, man? Oh, that one actually looked good. Uh, but for links though, something like a link application, it needs something that's a little bit boxy, like this one. But yellow is not cool for that. I think red is also nice. What's this Noto serif? Yeah, this is cool actually. Two pay and purple. For the link application, yeah, I kind of like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy this preset and your image source. This Vercel has either width or height modified, but not the other. If you use CSS to change this image, include this as your width or to maintain this as whatever. What's going on with this? Calm down, bro. Let's press how do we create using this preset? Okay, we need to say bun x dash dash bun chassis and not letters in it, and then the preset is whatever preset that we have. Is this what's this preset? B12 B12W. Hold on. Is this the same preset? B12, yeah, W. Okay, cool. Let's copy the command. Let's go back here, copy this best template, and we have the template. So why do we have something called agents.md? Like these people are just going outrageous with like AI slop and stuff. Agents.md, blah blah blah, BS, bunch of BS. Okay, let's burn dev now, and hopefully let's refresh it one more time, and yes, we have what we need. Now I'm just gonna go back here to components. I'm gonna go to themes. What is the theme? Okay, I think theming, yeah, theming is somewhere here. Not actually theming, it should be light and dark mode, something like that. I think it's in installation. No, yeah, theme it should be somewhere here. I think it's called dark mode. Let me just look for it. Dark mode, yes, dark mode. Next.js. We just need to say next themes. We need to add next themes. Let's create a new terminal. Create that. That is fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this theme provider. We need to add this theme provider. Oh, we need to just copy the theme provider. Within components, we need to create this theme provider. Okay, let's go to components. I'm just gonna call this theme provider. Theme provider.tsx, and then just press that in. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back here. We just need to copy this entire theme provider and wrap our children with it. Layer.tsx. Okay. I think we're copying the entire body, right? If I'm not mistaken. We're just adding this in the body. Are we copying the entire body or just adding this in the body? I don't know. Just gonna copy this. Copy the entire body and press it. Now, what's happening here? Flex column, min height full. I'm gonna remove that. We don't need that. We need to import this from theme provider. So import, not that. import team provider. Yes, and we do not have any error again. Okay, some issues here. I want to remove, I think, hydration. Where are we supposed to remove hydration? Suppress hydration from the HTML part. I think from up here. Yeah, from we're gonna have suppress. Suppress. Hold on. Suppress hydration warning. Where should it be? Should it be here? I think here. Yes. Then we can have suppress. Why is it not showing? Let's go here. Say suppress hydration warning. Yes. We don't need to be warned about hydration every single minute. Now we need to go ahead and view this code. We need to download Lucid React. So Lucid React. Let's say Lucid React install. Okay, let's go to Lucid and we're gonna use Bun. Just this Lucid React. I just came through it and had I just came through. I think that's fine. We have that Lucid React in place. And then we just have to copy this code and create a mode toggle. So I'm just gonna go here and say mode toggle. Mode toggle.tsx. Press this entire stuff. What's going on here? Mode toggle components Lucid React. Okay. So import sun from Lucid. I think it's now called Lucid, not Lucid React anymore. And also this or drop down menu, we need to get the drop down. Let's go to components. Drop down. Okay, boy, K drop down menu. Born at latest. I'm just going to add this. Okay, born add. Okay, what is born add? I think it will just understand that is born add. Okay, fine. Um, we do not have any issue again, do we? On drop down, nope. So at components slash components slash more toggle. No, hold on. What are we actually trying to get? Wait, UI drop down menu. Yeah. So drop down menu should work. Why is it not working? Can we check if we have the drop down menu? Wait, why didn't it add drop down menu, bruh? Let's just copy this. Let's see. Okay, that's added it. I think that's the best way to add it. And now we don't have any issue again. Let's open this as child. It's not assignable to type. This is this. Son does not have any construct calls, whatever. What's going on here? Why there's some unnecessary, like, I don't know. But either way, let's go back to our application, refresh this here. Now we have dark mode and stuff. So I think that is that. We are just going to push these changes to our remote server. What's going on here, boy? Let's stop this. Go to our remote server. Not remote server, GitHub. Okay, repositories. Filthy link. Filthy link backend. Front end. Filthy link front end. I think that should make sense. I'm gonna make this private for now. I can always make it public. I don't know. You said I should make it public. I think I'll just make it public. But let me first organize the entire code first. It's gonna say git add everything, space this, and so that all changes in our remote server. Remote server and our GitHub. Why do I keep saying remote server? All right, so I think now we have our front end. If we go back to repositories, we shall have two different repositories. We have the backend, FilthiLink backend, FilthiLink frontend. Yeah, the name I should have just used F with capital F. It's okay. So now we have those. Now we have code. Yeah, we have something pushed at least for today. So tomorrow, I think tomorrow's stream will be very, very fantastic because we are now gonna start working on the actual application. This was just setting up everything so they can be ready for when we start coding. So yeah, I think we shall use like Cloud Code like extensively. So I was gonna do with my boys for today's stream. I don't know if I've really streamed enough today, but it is what it is. Let's just have some fun on chess for now. Then I'll just prepare for my interview later. You feel me? Where's my boy Akash? Akash, you said you wanted to play chess with me. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, you in a game? Who are you playing with? Who's Akash playing with? Oh, dude is playing with guys in 1K, bro. Scandinavian defense. Akash is. Akash is cooking. Oh my goodness, Akash is cooking. Yeah, but if you check there, you are cooked. So, two rooks and one rook and one knight. Which one is stronger? I think two rooks are stronger. Boy, boy is cooking. Akash is cooking. Oh my god. Ooh, that's tough. It's not tough. Oh yeah, boy is cooking. Akash is really, really cooking. Oh, but if he queens though, it won't do anything, my boy. Queen, boy, queen. Why can't this guy queen? Like, what's the secret? Wait, who resigned? White resigned. Okay. White won. Oh, Akash was white. Alright, good, 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 good. Boy, you're on 1-3 now. Oh my god, that's crazy. Akash, come, come, come. Come play me, boy. Come play me. Let me cook you. Let me cook you ASAP. Hmm. Let me try to play one game. If they cook me, I'm cooked. Let me play one game. If they cook me, I'm cooked. Wait, who's my friend playing with? This guy wants to get to like 500. Let's see. Hmm. Why did this guy? Why did this guy give his queen? This guy should remove his queen, bro. Bro, your queen is cooked. What? Ah! Ah! Oh my god. This guy is funny as hell. So this guy thought this was like a random pawn move. Like Queen got cooked. Oh my god. These guys are funny, bro. Oh, boy, take yes, put your rook there. He's gonna take it with check, and you gotta cook him. Anywhere where he puts his rook is cooked. If he cooks, he's done. Cooked. Oh no, it's not. It's not checkmate. Don't do that. He's protecting. He's protecting that. Yeah, he's protecting the back rank, boy. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Bro, what? It's gonna be a draw, bro. Ooh, that's oh my god. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. Cook him, bro. Cook his rook. Oh my god. Cook his rook with your bishop that killed the queen. What's happening to these guys? Bro, why is bro running? Oh my god, dog. Please don't put the rig there again. Ah, okay. Okay, now cook him, bro. Cook the rook, boy. Bro. What's going on with this guy? Some people they irritate me, bro. Cook the damn rook. What are you thinking about? What is bro thinking about, man? Anyways, I don't know. Let me go and play a game. Yo, nature was popping. Then I gotta have it. How's you? I'm cool. I'm chilling. Bro, we're playing the first game ever since. Okay, wait. I'm thinking about playing something like this. Just play like that too. Okay, let's get this. Let's fianchetto this. Okay. I'll leave you with your pawn structure. Um, I won't really do none about our pawn structure. Wait, I was thinking, why did I fianchetto the bishop? I should have just left the bishop there, right? Okay, that's not gonna be good. I'm going for the big fish. I'm leaving him with his ugly looking pawns. Ugly looking pawns, boy. I don't want to improve your structure at all. Okay, his queen is in the center. Let me remove my queen from the center. Okay, where does he want to play? He wants to, I don't know. Um, okay. What if I take this? Okay, exchanging this for a pawn is just, I don't know. I should have left the pawn structure. Oh, oh my God. Did this guy just, did he just play like this? I don't know what the hell he's intending. Okay, this is gonna come with check. And what else is it gonna take? Okay, he wants to take here and then take here. Boy, that's crazy. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know why there was need to play like that. Hmm. Oh God. Okay, okay. What should I do now? What should I do here? The king, is this gonna come with check? No, I wish it was coming with check, boy. Let me just take this. Yeah, I can kind of take, because if I don't take, then my queen is cooked. Let me just see. All right, I'm just gonna go here. Then he will take this though. Oh, dude wants to play like that. What's this? What is that? What is he trying to do? Is that supposed to be checkmate? I don't know if that's supposed to be checkmate. Oh, okay. Yeah, now I'm cooked. Now I'm cooked. That was stupid. Like, that was honestly the worst move from me. What was I supposed to play even? I don't know. Why was I supposed to put the knight? Ah, the knight is done for. It's fine, bro. Okay. That's that's a candy right there. Exams going on Ankusha's luck. Wait, how are you guys like on stream when you guys are doing exams? You guys are scaring me. Alright. But I can just move this though. Like if it takes the pawn, I just move this. It's fine. I should have gone here to protect this pawn. I didn't think of it like that. I'm gonna lose a pawn here. That's crazy. Should have gone here. Oh, but he could take me though. The bishop. For the long hours, hiding up prayer, make it through the night. Make it through the night. For the work is a chance, I pray, make it through the night. We gonna be alright. Hey, reminiscing about them days. I was walking in the face, thinking in my face. I got like everything to say, I got everything to say. Yeah, hey. I should take the bishop. Wait, please, take the bishop. Which bishop? There's no bishop that I'm taking here, though. What's up with the bishop? Too easy. Stop spamming. What night bot? Oh my god. What are you saying? I should take the bishop? I'm confused. Cause this stuff, I just need to put my queen, bishop b2. How can I take the bishop from here? There's no way I can take the bishop from here, boy. You mean with the queen? It can't. It can't happen. It can't happen. I cannot take the bishop with the queen, boy. My dark squared bishop cannot take it. How are you seeing this? Are you looking at this right? My dark squared bishop, they're not on the same lane as this. Oh, you mean I should have like battered them, but no, not really. It's not gonna do anything. It's not really gonna do anything. So here's what I'm gonna do. Uh here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to play here. Okay, this is cooked. This is actually cooked. What did I do? I fumbled. I fumbled. I fumbled. Oh my god! I shit. What's good? I thought I fumbled. Turns out this. Okay. 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 Here's the thing. This is blocking here, but the person wants to take my bishop anyway. I mean, wants to take my knight anyway. So I might as well just take the bishop. The queen takes it, and I take this one, and we are good. Yeah. Uh, yeah, piece of cake. Nightbot is killing you, bro. Like, I feel like you should type just one thing. Yo, what's going on here? What's dude? Okay, he wants to. Let's see. I don't know what the hell. Um. Okay, this person wants me to take here so that they can take back, but no, brother. I'm not really gonna take there. Let me just take here. Okay. I don't know why this stuff is difficult, bro. Like, I don't know what's really going on. I'm not gonna be greedy to take that. Okay, the person will just take this and take my knight, which is cool, and then I'll just take the. Um, all right, they are just gonna take this, right? So rather than taking that, I'm just gonna bring this back here. Hello and bye, and also bye. Why are you saying that, Ma G? What's up? What happened to you? Bro, I hate the way things are not good here. I need to take this. I actually need to take this. If I take this, then this has no business here. This is just preventing me from taking this. I do not have time even. That's crazy. Look at the time difference. Exams. Exams happen to you? All right. So I take here and I'm still like protecting my. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So boy, you're cooked. If you don't remove this, it's over. If you don't remove this, it's over. It's really over. Oh, dude wants to like actually take this. That is crazy. Hold on. How does this work? Okay, what's really going on here? I need to check here. Let me first check here. Should I check here? But I mean, let me put my. Yes, let me try to guard this. Because if it takes this, I take. And if it takes this, I take the queen. Yeah, that makes sense. But we do not have time, though. Oh my god, I don't have time. Oh, what's this guy trying to play? He wants to play here checkmate. All right, let's see. Wish you good luck on that checkmating idea. Checkmating idea. Wish you good luck on that. Uh, oh my goodness. Am I really just gonna get cooked like this? Am I gonna get cooked like this? Wait, am I gonna get cooked like this? So I'm making unnecessary checks. Ooh, God. Is this guy not cooked? Oh my God, this guy is cooked. Hold on. This is on the same line as this guy. So check, and I'm cooking this. And I'm cooking this. Yeah, cook. So now let's see how he's going to play his checkmate. Yes, sir. Let's see how he's gonna checkmate me. He just lost a whole rook for some weird checkmate that he wanted to do. Alright, boy, I'm not gonna leave that for you, sorry. I'm very greedy. You have to get the hell out of there. And if he just plays randomly here, I'm gonna cook him. If he's on green here, can I plan for him? Hold on. Okay. So, what of oh what does he want to do? I don't know. I'm just gonna take here. Let me just take here. Let's see what he wants to play. Oh my god, why can't I tie him? If only I could tie him to this. Yes, I'm gonna play here. Wait, what is it trying to do? Oh my god, is this guy not cooked? Is this guy not cooked? Let me see. He wanted to take my rook away. That's crazy. Okay, he has to just go like this, and then he's cooked. Yeah, I don't know what this guy was intending. Ah, okay. Oh my god, how does this work? If I take here, he's just gonna take me, right? Jesus. Okay, yeah, let me put this here, and then boom. Let's see. Yes, yes, he's cooked. I have 8 seconds on the clock. Oh my god. Oh, how did White win? Oh my. This sometimes I hate this game because of things like this. Oh, how the hell are you telling me White is winning when I'm just like winning, clearly winning, bro? Oh my god, bro. This is not fair at all, bro. This is not fair. Like, this is not fair at all. This is not the way this game should be. Like, what you mean? This dude, like, come on, bro. Like, ugh, bro. Let's try to get our win back. I mean, so annoying, bro. This is, bro. You don't know how much I do not like this behavior. Like, ah, okay. If I just let me just go in the meter. It's fine. Alright. I'm just gonna take that. Well, should I sacrifice there? Yeah, not really. I have no good squares for this knight. Cause that was diabolical, bro. I wanted to sacrifice the knight and just like make him unable to castle. I think that's better. Let him just lose the castling right. Yes. Yeah, I'll take that any day. Okay, this is gonna be unnecessary check. Check is just gonna block and I do not have anything for it. So let me just check here and he's gonna go there and then I'm gonna check him again here and he's gonna block. All right. Now that he has blocked, what if I play here is gonna take me? What? Yeah, that's crazy. So let me just play here. Boom, and my queen is dead. Psych! I'm gonna play here. Okay, nobody is protecting this though, which is crazy. He can just take this. Yeah, I knew it. This guy is quite good though, but I'm protecting. Right, makes sense. Let me just chase his queen away from me. All right, now that the queen is out of the way, I think I can just take this with check. Check. Oh my god, now we have to trade queens. Like this is like the worst of the worst that can happen. It's like the worst of the worst. Now I have to just give me. I don't want to trade my queen, bro. Like he will take this and still I have to trade my queen for it. And if I don't take and I'm cooked. Yeah, Ela. Oh god. All right, brother. Like let me leave the trading to him. Like if he wants to trade, hold on. If he wants to trade queens, I'm gonna let him trade queens. He's a weirdo, bro. Like I hate people who play chess like this, bro. It just makes the entire game so boring. Like, ugh, this guy just bored the shit out of me, bro. This guy just bored the game to the max, bro. Like, how is he even ahead by 3 points? Wait, how is he ahead by 3 points? Which 3 points? Like, which piece? He was ahead of me by three. Oh, the knight that I sacrificed. All right, man. I think he's gonna play here so he can castle long. Yeah, I knew it. This dude, bro. I hate people that are just so annoying like this. Oh god, he wants to castle long, so let's just attack now this side. Let's just put all the attack this side. Is there a way I can prevent him from castling? No. Oh, my bishop. Oh my goodness. The next move, if he doesn't castle in the next move, I'm gonna cook him. He's probably just gonna remove this. He's maybe gonna play here, but it's nothing. Playing here is also nothing. All right, so this is a free. It's not a free. It's actually yeah, that's free. Bring me a free pawn again for me, boss. All right, I don't want to trade, boy. I want to prevent you from castling. So I'll take that if you take the knight. I just take here. Fair enough. Should I take this side? Yeah, let me take this side so I can expose this. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay. Uh, let me just let me just go here. Um, pin this, pin it, and win it. I'm gonna pin it and win it. He cannot castle though, which is the best because I have this here. If it takes our attack, oh my god, he's cooked. He's cooked. He's actually cooked. Mm. You know what? I'm going to play here with check. He has to do something about it. Eh, Yeah. Yeah. I thought he wasn't gonna play like that. Should I check him again? He's gonna just take me, right? Let me just check him with this other rook. See what he's gonna play next. He has to play this. He has to play this. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, what if I play here, check? He's just gonna take with the knight, right? And then I don't get anything for it. Yeah. I actually want to apply pressure here, but let me just take this behind. What if I play here though? He's gonna take with the knight, isn't it? No, I want to play here. Yes, still I'm pinning the shit out of this. Ooh, yeah. My bishop is trapped, but not really. I can take here. My bishop is not trapped. Oh my god, my bishop is cooked. My bishop is really, really cooked. I don't know. Can I play? No, I can't play like that. Oh, I can actually play though. Heck, I can play there. Where is it gonna go? Then let me just take this. Yeah, let me just take this. Let him take with that. It's fine. Okay. Oh, if I remove this, then I'm cooked. Uh, Let me just play here. Oh, he wants to trade. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna play like this. We are cooking. We are cooking. We are cooking. We are cooking. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Why should we cook this guy next? I think I need to play like this. Cooked. Or just cook him here. Let me just play like this. Cooked. Oh, I should have gone like this and I proceed with the. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I hate people that play like this. You can't take that though, which is nice. Mm, Are you sure about that? Just take. I mean, if you take it, ah, what's left? What's left out of this dude? Hold on. Let me. Oh my God! Look at this, boys. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at this next coming girl. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this trick. How I'm gonna cook his rook. I'm heading material, so I'm cool with trading. It's gonna be a crazy discover check. Yes. He saw it. He saw it. Oh my God, he saw what I was planning to do. He saw what I was planning to do, and he removed this. But that won't change a thing though, because I'm just gonna play like this, and just take all of this, take all of these pawns. Just go down, boy. Oh, okay. Don't mind if I do. If I do discover check, he's just gonna take me, right? Yeah, no, no, no. I ain't doing that. Just play discover check on him. He has to move somewhere. All right, this guy, bro. Yes, he's actually just he's not gonna take anything here, and his rook is dead. Yes. Oh my God, we actually played, bro. We actually cooked. Hold on. Nah, you ain't touching this. You ain't touching this. Yeah, I actually cooked, but I'm not gonna lie to you. You're not gonna touch anything here. Okay. Um. Actually, I don't know. He's probably gonna win my whatever. I think he wants to take the rook, but no way. I'm not gonna allow that. Hold on. Okay, he's gonna take this. He's gonna take this. How should I do it, boys? 'Cause now these ones are all in trouble, bro. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right, it's fine. Let him take that. Let him take that. Should I trade? Let me just trade this. Oh, he's not trading. Okay. Interesting. Let me go. You're not reaching anywhere here, boy. Yeah, you're not reaching anywhere here, boy. Good. So, what if I start matching my pawns? Yeah, what if I start matching my pawns? He cannot come here. Like he's actually very limited. He cannot come here. He cannot reach here, boy. Yeah, let me take this. Let me just take this. I don't want to take that though. Let me go here. Yeah, if you take, I take, and you're good. Okay, how are we gonna do this, boy? Oh my God. Okay, let me go up here. Mm, okay, let's see. Okay, go on queen. He wants to take this. Let's see. Yeah. Uh, he wants to take anything here. Let's see. Yes. Oh my god! Like, I've lost again, bro. Like, what the hell is going on? Oh, bro, I hate these games, bro. Like, I cannot even just play the game. Bro, I can't lose just all these two games like this, bro. Oh, I hate this, bro. I hate this. Hate this so much. Oh, interesting. Okay. Let's see. Oh no, bro. Okay, fine. For the I pray I make it through the night. Let's see. Why does this guy want to play? He wants to go there and then call some chaos. And just try to check. He has to block. Okay. Now that he blocked, let's go back. See what he's gonna play. Okay, interesting. He wants to checkmate me. But what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Alright. Let's see. He wants okay, he wants to take that. Alright, that's gonna be crazy difficult. How does it go, bro? If I don't take it, he's gonna take there. But if I also remove this, I'm going to lose mine. Alright, boys. It's getting annoying now. Okay, let's see. How is it gonna go? Okay, he had actually fucked my. Yeah, that was a crazy call. Alright. Interesting. Still gonna be a checkmate. If I remove this, he's gonna checkmate me. Oh my days. This guy, bruh. Why is this guy playing like he wants to win he wants to win some tournament. If I remove this, he's gonna take it. No, he's not. Okay, this is not gonna be a checkmate. Yeah, this is not gonna be a checkmate. It's not gonna be a checkmate. But then this guy was cooking, bruh. I'm just gonna play like this and try to chase his queen away from there. Alright, let's see. If he doesn't remove his queen is cooked. Oh my days! Is this queen not cooked? Oh yeah, his queen is not cooked. Almost. He wants to checkmate me here. This guy. Oh my god, this guy is cooking, bruh. Okay. He's not really cooking that much. He's really not cooking that much because then I'm gonna take the bishop for free and we're gonna be the same. Um okay, he's still gonna take my knight though. That's the problem. If I take this bishop, he's gonna take my knight to the queen. So how should I go about it? I cannot put this here. Um okay. If I go here though, is he not gonna, yeah, check? No, not actually check. There's no check on my queen. Yeah, so it's fine. Let me just play like this. This guy. Okay. All right. This guy is cooking. I don't know what he's cooking. This guy is he's actually cooking, dog. Like, holy cow, this guy is cooking, bro. This guy is cooking, bro. This guy. Oh my god, my queen is GG's. Ah, jeez, bro. Oh my god. Ah, my queen was gone. He didn't see it. Thank God. He didn't see that my queen was cooked. All right. How am I gonna do it? If it goes here, okay, I actually need to go. So can I? Is there a way I can fuck this guy, bro? There is no way I can fuck this dude. He's just gonna take me, and I'm gonna take him. So it is what it is. All right. God, this guy is cooking, bro. If I take the knight, he's just gonna take it back with the queen. Like, what's the point? He's just gonna take it back with the queen. Oh, he didn't even take it with the queen. Yeah, this is crazy. You know what? Since I'm here, if I take this, yeah, this knight was pinned. I mean the queen. Can't you see? He was just gonna take back with the queen, isn't it? Yeah, but okay. Let me just play like this. Since this knight is pinned, soon as I take this, is over for him. Alright, he really played though. He really played, but yeah, it was good while it lasted, my brother. It was good while it lasted. Okay, he's cooking still though. He's still cooking. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, is there a way I can play here? He's just gonna take, right? Let me just open way for this. Okay, what if I go here? This is still pinned, isn't it? But still not gonna do anything. Okay, what if I go here? He's just gonna castle with the queen, with the king, and I'm cooked. Okay, just play here, play here. Ah, move pawn to f4. Uh, which pawn? Which pawn? You mean this one? Yeah, I think moving this pawn makes sense. Maybe you mean this pawn though, because if like soon as this guy plays here, I'm gonna be cooked. So if he plays here, I'm just gonna take, and yeah, this still pinned, which is nice. I doubt if he will play like that. Let's see where he's gonna take the queen. Bro, I've been losing all these games because of like thinking too much. I think I need to stop thinking now. Why is this dude trying to do like queen trade? I hate that dog. I don't want to trade no queens, dog. Like, I don't want to trade queens, bro. Mm-hmm. Okay, that was stupid. Dude wants to trade queens, bro. Like, ah, bro, I don't want to trade queens, bro. I really don't want to trade queens. I don't want to trade queens, bro. How does he have two pawns compared to me? Okay, so I'm gonna play here next. I don't know if that was a good move. Okay, let me see what he's gonna play next. Dude, remove this for the pin is crazy. All right. So what does he want to play right now? I don't know what he wants to play, but I'm welcoming. Let's see what he's gonna try to play. Because my queen can always go here. I mean, yeah. Okay. Rook C1. You mean here? And then we trade off the rooks. I'm cool with this trade like this. Let's trade the rooks like this, boy. I don't want to trade queens. Yeah, this guy is cooking, boy. Oh my god, this guy is cooking. I think I'm gonna lose this game also due to time as well. Ah, if I take here, it's just gonna take, and I'm the one in a loss. Yeah, he wants to play. I don't know. He's okay. He's trying to threaten my queen. Uh, Holy man, this guy, bro, like, I don't have time, man. It's fine. I really don't have time. Wait, what? All right, boys, listen. We, it's okay, bro. Like, it's fine. It's fine. Where are you, Binot? Where are you? Where are you? I think I'm gonna stop the stream here, boy. Binot, we shall play offline. Let me just stop the stream here. Stream almost for 3 hours. Well, I should just okay. Let me just play the last game here. If I lose this game, I know I've lost it, bro. Like from 50 back to 32 is just crazy work. Oh God, let's let's play a bit faster now. Okay, let's play a bit faster. Okay, it's just gonna take this. Alright, not bad. If it takes with the rook, I mean with the yeah, just gonna get my queen off the set. I mean, let's just go like this. Yeah, let's just go like this. So I want him to actually take here. All right, we shall just play after this game. Oh my God. We're gonna be cooking this game, bro. We need to cook. We need to win at least. So let me play faster. This guy has 27 seconds, also 27 seconds. Just play check here. Uh, King is gonna take here. I don't know why he played like that though. Just gonna take this back all the way here. I want to play like this. Yeah, if he takes it, his queen is cooked. I know he won't play like that, so he wants to checkmate me. That's not checkmate, bruh. Yeah, that's not checkmate. My queen can always just come here. I don't know who told this guy that that's checkmate, but somebody lied to this dude. This is not checkmate, brother. Yeah, that's not checkmate. This is not checkmate. This guy should watch out. That's that's not checkmate. Okay, he can always play down here, right? Here and then okay, that's fine. I mean, yeah, his rook is still cooked though, so that's nice. I'm gonna cook his rook still, regardless of what he plays. Oh my god, I should have played here. Yeah, I should have played here. Check. Let's see what he's gonna do. He can run there. That's the only side he can go to. He cannot because yeah, this guy is cooked. Boy is cooked. Oh, I think he has to defend with the queen, right? Because he cannot. Okay, he can go there though. He cannot because of this bishop. He cannot go here either. He either has to block with this or the queen, and I'm gonna cook. No, I'm not gonna cook the queen though, because yeah, I'm gonna cook the queen. Woo! jeez. Plays here cooked. Plays here cooked. Yeah, this guy's cooked. Yeah, at least, bro, we're gonna have a win at least today, bro. Like, we need a win, bro. We need a win, bro. Cook. His queen is in trouble, though. His queen is in trouble. He should watch out. I think this dude wanted me to take here, then he takes here, then he's checkmate. Oh no, this is a checkmate. I could have run away anyways. Woo, this guy is fried. He has to just, yeah, he has to bring his queen. Yes, resign, resignation loading. Is that all you can play, boss? Oh, okay, I see. This will prevent me from, but if he kills this, he's done though. I'm just gonna go here anyway. I'm just gonna go here. He has this route, but if I go here, it's gonna be discover check. And he's cooked. Yeah, this guy is fried, dog. Oh, he has actually here. He has here to go. Okay, why did he play like that? That's weird because I can just play check here. It's actually discover check, and then I take this. Yeah, that's GG's. That's GG's. I still want a cookie, boy. I want him to defend with this queen. I know my queen is in trouble, but like that's wait, is this a checkmate? I can take here. Oh, but wait, this is discover check. Oh, I first take here. No, this let me play discover check. Then I clear this guy. He's gonna take this though, but I can just take this and take that. Oh my god, that's crazy. How does this go? I think he has a chance to take my rook. Okay, he did take it. That means we can just play check here and take the queen. Yeah, the queen is GG's. Oh, he can take this. Fine. GG's the queen. Good game. Who told you to bring the queen here, my boy? Ah! Ah! How should I cook this guy now? Let me cook him first here. Check. And where else can I cook this guy? Okay, if I cook him like this, I'm gonna be fried. So let me just cook him from far. Yeah. All right. How should I fuck this guy? Let me just play here. Let me just play here so that if he just checks me, I take him. Boom. Check. Boom. Okay. Nice. Oh my goodness. How should we play this? Okay. Yeah, if it takes here, I'm gonna take him. Uh, why did he play like that? I don't know. What is he trying to play? Oh, he wants to fuck me. Where will the fork be? Oh, okay. Okay, just go here, and then the next fork will be here. There's nothing there, boy. Let me just take my queen back to safety. I feel like I have um enough stuff to at least give a checkmate. Wait a minute. How about if I check here? No. Am I not complicating the game? I'm leading though, so yeah. Actually, let me just take here because I'm good with him trying to trade. Yeah, I'm good with the trade, really. I'm good with the trade. Take my rook, I'm good with it. Uh, where was I? Here? Oh, I was up here. Okay. Let me see how I can prepare this. Oh my God. Okay, fine. I just go. Oh, this guy is cooking. Yeah, this guy is cooking. Yeah, this guy is actually cooking. My rook is GG's. My rook is GG's, but that's gonna come at a price, at a big price. Oh my God, this guy is cooked. This guy is cooked. Yeah, so how about this? Checkmate. Thank you for taking my rook, but you are mated at the end of the day. Ah, at least, bro. Yo, Binod, come. Let me end the stream here, boys.